Surface area of triangle base pyramid. Okay, so get your title done. Mine's already written.
We got this title like last week.
Oh, good. Then I'm going to move on. Let's focus on just the base, the triangle base. This is being recorded, so you have to keep it down. Something's kind of important here. Something that we haven't talked about. This is a lateral side. Lateral side. And then there's something called slant height. Have you heard of that? Okay. They aren't going to put it on all four of them. They'll just pick one. So since this makes the right angle right here, and this will be 4. Since we don't know, we'll just call it units. It just keeps it easier. We'll just put a 4 here. The slant height. It means there are 4, centimeters going up here, 4 right here, 4 right here.
What's the bonus?
Just that's an important one. And then, of course, this is the triangle base. The base. Sometimes it's a square base. And what I showed you earlier, sometimes it's a hexagon or an octagon or a pentagon. But the one we're talking about right now is this one. Triangle base pyramid. Now, I want you to envision something. The last thing I'm going to show you is the base height. Okay, so I want you to picture the center of this triangle, and it has a height. Do you see that? It's like going through the middle. That's what's great about these. I can kind of open it up and close it so you can see. What we're going to do next is the height right here from the base. And that's different than the slant height. Oops. Do you see what I'm saying? I could even show you with this ruler. I'll do centimeters. The slant height is 9.5 centimeters. Are you with me? But the base height is not 9.5. It's 8.5. I'm sorry, yeah, the base height. Okay, so do you see how those are different? So the base height is right here. Base height. Okay, so we're just kind of labeling things so we know. Lateral side, triangle base, base height, slant height. I forgot to have you write that. Okay, questions so far, or anyone need more time labeling their triangular pyramid? Okay, that's fine. Go ahead. Soak it in. Be respectful of others. Kayla, stay focused. We don't need voices. So what I see is a base. And then we have to get the other 3 sides. So you add up all the areas, just like we learned in chapter 9, the area of the base and the area of the lateral sides. So that's just the formula. We haven't even practiced any yet. That's just the formula and labeling what those are. So now you might see something that says find the surface area. Okay, directions on a homework paper or a test or something. So we're going to try to draw one for example 1. All right, so let's say we've got, okay, I'm drawing my triangle base, and it's not exactly like this one, and that's good because we need different kinds of examples. Can you get that so far? I'm not as comfortable drawing these as I am prisms, but I'll do my best. Okay, so you ready? I'm going to put a point right up here. That'll be the vertex of the pyramid. Okay, ready? Join, join, join. You've just drawn a pyramid.
Whoa.
I know, it's hard to kind of really depict it because of all the hidden sides. But we've got, you know, the important ones here. Okay, so we are going to need,
Oh, I see it.
yeah, we're going to need the slant height. Okay, the slant height is going to be 5 feet. What's the other height we're going to need, guys? Remember I showed you? Look at your vocabulary. The red one. We also need the base height. Yeah, so if this ruler were standing at the base, okay, that is going to be 3.5 feet. Um, 3.5 feet. Does anyone need more time?
Yeah.
Okay. So don't try to be perfect. It's okay. Just do your best, because you know what we're going to do? We're going to unfold this in a way and kind of draw each shape out. By the way, how many triangles are here?
3.
Nope.
4.
4. The base and the 3 laterals. Okay? The base and the 3 lateral sides. Okay, so now we have here I'm going to draw the base. .5. Oh, I forgot to give you one more important one. Right here, this is 4 feet. So it's going to be 4 feet all around each side. Because remember the video we just briefly watched, and he said as long as they're all the same on each side. Okay, so all of these are going to be 4. Now, let's draw the other 3 triangles. And this is where the slant height matters. Tell me what the slant height is.
It's the 6.7.
Slant height is 5 feet. So I'm going to put a 5, 5, 5. What, honey? I figured that. Okay. And then we have 4 and 4 and 4. So now it's just chapter 9. Area of triangle. 4 different times. 3 of them are the same, 1 of them's different. Hey class, what's the area of a triangle formula?
Base times height divided by 2?
Yeah, yes. Some people know it as half of base times height. But let's go ahead and do our usual. Base times height divided by 2. Let's first do the red one. What is it? 4 times 3.5 divided by 2. Calculators allowed, but I'm just going to kind of go through it, but you will, go ahead. It's even better when you guys do it, but to save time on the video, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So 14 divided by 2. 6th graders in your head?
7.
7. So the area for this triangle, Henry, stay focused. The area for this triangle is 7 feet squared. Now we're going to do the other triangles. Same formula, but some different bases and heights, huh? Well, same base, different height. What is it, class?
5.
5. 4 times 5 divided by 2.
20, 10.
20 divided by 2 equals 10.
Nice. I said it weird. I said 20, 10.
So we don't need to rewrite that 3 times, but here's what we should do. We should go like this.
Times it by 3.
Or, you know what, that's awesome, but I'm going to really spell it out since we're beginners. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Okay, you good? Henry, do you need to sit somewhere else? I'm trying to make a video here. Okay, so we're going to need 7 plus what, guys?
7 plus 10.
Plus 10 plus
10.
good.
37.
You got it.
Yeah, that's so easy.
It is, right? It's not that bad. It's just kind of new. Put a box around it because that's what would be the answer. Then I'm going to do an even easier one, but I want to give you time to catch up with this. Are your arms tired? Here, I'll hold it for you. Give your arms a rest. Oh, I was thinking that too. I have it, yeah, okay. I've got my little industrial helper. She's full of creative ideas. I know, crazy, messy teacher you have.
Can you clean this last week? Okay.
Welcome to my world.
Okay, now we do this.
Oh, you're a little genius.
This right.
Okay, here comes an easier one.
Never mind. Okay, there you go.
That's at least a rest. Okay. So this one's going to be equilateral. Okay, so this one's going to be a lot easier. And let's say it's just a story that says, a pyramid has a triangle base that measures 7 centimeters. Because this might be how it's read to you, and you don't want to freak out. You'll be like, oh, that's right. I remember taking those notes that one Thursday. Okay, so here we go. A pyramid has a triangle base. So now you can picture, oh, it's not a square-based pyramid, it's a triangle-based pyramid.
What's the difference?
Let's see. Here's our square-based pyramid. Here's our triangle-based pyramid.
What is a square at the bottom? Can you hold them up like that? Like what has a square at the bottom?
One has a square for the base, one has a triangle for the base. But they look similar at the top. It's just these have 3 faces, this has 4 faces. Obviously, because a triangle has 3 sides, a square has 4 sides. When I showed you the pentagon, that has 5 sides, so it's going to have 5 triangle faces. Okay, a pyramid has a triangle base that measures, Alexa, stay focused, 7 centimeters on each side. The slant height is 8 centimeters. That's all we need. You with me?
Yeah. I can't really write that.
All right, I'll give you some time.
I ran out of room.
Oh, turn the page. Why don't you give someone else a chance, then your arms can rest.
Jalissa, I'll finish writing your notes here.
Don't move it.
Mm-hmm.
777.
Call Walter Clark.
Won the lottery. No, you won the jackpot. Like a mom did 500.
Slant height 8. All these bases are 7. So, area equals base times height divided by 2. 7 times 8 divided by 2. 5, 6, 7, 8.
6 times 4.
56 is 7 times 8. And we haven't done that one this much. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. 56 is 7 times 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 56.
Oh, 56 is 7 times 8.
Because 5, 6, 7, 8 is.
A lot of kids don't have that one memorized.
I never did that.
Well, now you do. 5, 6, 7, 8. 56 is 7 times 8.
6, 7, 8. I already know mine.
Wait, can you show us that? Show us what you just did.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, but I thought it was going to show 56 somehow.
Oh, yeah, huh?
That's okay. What's 56 divided by 2, class? It's 28.
30.
It's 28.
Okay. Shh. So hang on. That's one triangle. Class, how many triangles are we talking about?
4.
4. They're all the same. 28, 28, 28, 28. So this triangle's 28, this triangle's 28, the third triangle's 28, and the base one is 28. Hi. We're almost done with our little video. Okay, so when we add them up, you will get 112 centimeters squared, and that's how you will get the area of a triangular pyramid. If you didn't get it all, this is going on Google Classroom, so you can catch up there. Bye-bye.